My name is Kunal Mathuria and I head sales for data and AI for GCP India. CDOs have a tough job. It's not easy. Enterprises have data everywhere. Data is siloed in most enterprises. They're part of different technology stacks. And CDOs generally don't have visibility on the entire data spectrum that the enterprise has. So at Google Cloud, what we want to do is bring simplicity and the power of limitless data to the CDO. So our offerings allow them to consolidate all of their data, which may be siloed in different places under different technology stacks, and then help it govern, right, so that they can manage the risk. They give access only to the people that require that, right? Your PII information is not given to someone who doesn't require it for his function, etc. So put in tool sets to manage and govern. At the same time, make it very simple for people to bring in insights out of that data. You mentioned that it's very difficult to be data driven. Well, it's difficult to be data driven is because you're not able to read the data. You're not able to derive insights from it. So Google Cloud provides you tool sets which allow you to derive insights very easily from the data in whichever format it is, whether it is structured, unstructured, in a particular file format, in a particular database, etc. But we'll make it accessible to you. Using those insights, you can take business decisions and embed those insights into all of your decisioning workflows. Does that make sense? We've overcomplicated data pipelines. We use many different data stacks, right? We have proprietary formats, and then you spend a lot of energy moving the data from one place to the other. We at Google believe that you should adopt the open data standards that are there in the market. We ourselves are part of the Open Data Alliance, so we support that wholeheartedly. So that you have interoperability between all of these systems. So you don't spend a lot of energy moving the data between these stacks. At the same time, it's also important to simplify the stack overall so that you have a few tools which do most of the work for you. You don't have to stitch together a lot of these components, right? And you spoke about volume, velocity, right? Both are key ingredients of Google. So all our products are built at Google scale. They are built to handle Google sort of volumes and Google sort of data velocity. So we are democratizing our tools to make customers also take advantage of some of these that Google has to build its own internal technology. Also, the energy in the room was excellent. I mean, the whole room was packed. There were people standing. The curiosity, I think, people say that data is the new oil. I think that's really come out here is because everyone's curious of knowing what is it that you can do with data. And the other thing I think that attracted a lot of people and people were wanting to know was around AI. So I think that was front and center and that was visible in every conversation that I've had. So it was incredibly exciting to be here and talking to a lot of customers.